toast plant. I'm the uncle. Because I like to think. I like to read. I'm into freedom of speech, freedom of choice. I'm the kind of guy that can sit in a greasy spoon and one to cheat. Should I eat the T-bone steak or the jumbo rack of barbecue ribs with the side order of gravy fries? I want my cholesterol. I want to eat bacon and butter and buckets of cheese, okay? I want to smoke Cubans cigar the size of Cincinnati in a non-smoking section. I want to run through the streets naked with green jello all over my body, reading Playboy magazine. Why? Because I suddenly might feel the future. Okay, pal? I've seen the future. You know what it is? It's a 47-year-old virgin sitting under this base pajamas, drinking a banana broccoli shake, singing I'm an Oscar Mayer Lee. You look top, you look hot toast with. What he wants, when he wants, how he wants. The choice, come down here, make a start with that.
You're crazy.
All right, then why don't you take charge and lead these people out of here? I'm no leader. I do what I have to do. Sometimes people come with me. All I want to do is bury Cocteau up to his neck and shit and let him think happy, happy thoughts forever. And I got bad news. I think he wants to kill you.
In jail for even you must appreciate the persuasive and tranquil humanity of the cryo prison system.
I don't spoil your dinner, pal, but my cryo sentence was no sweet lullaby. I had feelings and I had thoughts. I've been a 36-year nightmare about people converting a building.
You wouldn't wait. I don't think so.
I do think so. And my wife beating her fist against a block of ice that used to be her husband. That next time to wake me up and let me know everything that meant something in my life is gone.
Are you crazy?
It would have been more humane.
You're coming off a little crazy.
What would you say if I called you a brutish fossil, symbolic of the decayed era, great God?
I don't know. Thanks.
I thought during rehabilitation the prisoners were not conscious.
Oh, God, don't vomit everywhere.
The side effects of the cryo process